Good day, everyone. My name is Gia Marie L. La Rosa, but you can call me Gia. I am 20 years old and I live in Tabique, Buwak, Manila. I am a third-year BSPA Human Resource Management student. During my free time, I like to play online games such as Mobile Legends or MLPP, and sometimes I'm watching K-drama, series, movies, and also I like to draw and listening to music. I would describe myself as a patient and understanding person, which I believe helps me work well in different kinds of people. I choose human resource management kasi ever since, curious na talaga ako kung paano nag-work yung mga tao sa isang organization at kung paano sila nag-motivate ang mga employees. Gusto ko rin maintindihan hindi lang yung mga rules at system nila, kundi paano sila magsuporta, mga empleyado at kung paano nila matutulungan to mag-grow. Ang goal ko is to have a career in HR. Maybe a recruitment specialist kung saan makakatulong akong mag-match mga tamang tao para sa kanilang tamang trabaho and to guide them through their career journey. For this subject, I expected na matututunan ko papaano ginagawa at ginagamit ng mga businesses ang strategies para i-promote yung mga products and services nila. Gusto ko ring maintindihan kung papaano nakaka-connect ang marketing sa needs ng tao at kung papaano nakaka-apekto ito sa decision-making nila. I want to gain understanding and skills about customer behavior and sa paggamit na rin ng modern marketing techniques kasi magagamit ko ito hindi lang kung mag-work ako sa isang HR company, kundi pati kung sakaling mag-manage or mag-start ako ng isang business someday. Before I end, I'd like to share my personal motto. Do small things with great love because I believe even small efforts can make a big difference when done with sincerity. My classmate, masaya ako na magkakasama ulit tayo ngayong semester. Sana maging maayos at magaan ang pag-aaral natin together. At kay Mab, we're looking forward to learn a lot from you this semester. Thank you, and let's start this semester not just about grades, but also about memories first.